Hello, wonderful viewers. My name is Jim Walker, and welcome back to our channel Inner Insight. If you're looking to take your social skills to the next level, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to delve into the secrets of mastering first impressions and how dressing, listening, and communicating with honesty can transform the way people perceive and interact with you. Rule number 1. Our first rule is simple, but powerful. Dress the way you want to be addressed. Your appearance sets the tone for how others perceive you. Whether you're aiming for professionalism, creativity, or simply to feel confident, your clothing choices matter. So, let's start with some practical tips on dressing for success. Choose appropriate attire for different occasions, maintaining personal style, and using clothing to express your personality. Rule number 2. Listen more than you speak. We all love to share our thoughts and experiences, but listening is the key to understanding others and building meaningful connections. Active listening demonstrates respect and empathy. Let's explore some powerful techniques to become a better listener. Active listening techniques, such as maintaining eye contact, nodding, paraphrasing, and asking open-ended questions. Rule number 3. Speak with honesty and avoid telling lies. Honesty is the backbone of strong relationships. Avoid the temptation to exaggerate or tell lies just to make your conversation interesting. People appreciate authenticity, and it will earn you trust and respect. Let's discuss how you can be truthful while still engaging your audience. Presenting your ideas honestly, using personal anecdotes, and admitting when you don't have all the answers. Rule number 4. Practice gratitude towards others. Gratitude is a powerful social tool that often gets overlooked. Saying thank you and acknowledging others' contributions can brighten someone's day and strengthen your bond. Let's explore ways to incorporate gratitude into your daily interactions. Use various ways to show appreciation, write thank you notes, and celebrate others' successes. Rule number 5. Show genuine kindness and humility. Kindness and humility are the true marks of a person with excellent social skills. When you approach others with genuine kindness, you create a positive and inviting atmosphere. Humility helps you stay grounded and open to learning from others. Let's dive into the art of being kind and humble. Do acts of kindness, random acts of kindness challenge, and tips on staying humble despite achievements. Rule number 6. Be confident without being arrogant. Confidence is magnetic, but arrogance can push people away. Striking the right balance is key. When you approach others with self-assurance, it conveys competence and makes a great first impression. Let's explore how to exude confidence without crossing into arrogance. Try to improving body language, maintaining eye contact, and embracing your strengths while acknowledging your weaknesses. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the secrets to mastering first impressions and enhancing your social skills. Remember, by dressing for success, being an active listener, speaking honestly, practicing gratitude, showing genuine kindness, and exuding confident humility, you'll create meaningful connections and leave a lasting impact on everyone you meet. Thank you all for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other social skill tips you'd like to share. Until next time, stay confident, stay kind, and keep spreading positivity.